Whether you have realized it or not, you are probably using AI in your daily lives. Typically, AI focuses on analyzing data to be used on things like translations or predictions. But there's this other type of AI that you might have learned or heard recently called Generative AI. Generative AI uses algorithms to analyze existing data, such as text or images, to make new content. ChatGPT or DALL-E are just some examples of generative AI that can create new images, new videos, new codes, or new documents through just prompts or instructions, and it's being done artificially. Just like human brains with millions of neural connections, generative AI uses the same concepts to develop algorithm models that mimics the neural networks of a human brain. This algorithm do deep learning, and those deep learning today can process extremely large and varied sets of unstructured data and perform more than one task. If you are in operations, marketing, and sales, software engineering or R&D, you are in luck, because this is where generative AI would increase your productivity at work. Generative AI's ability to support interactions with customers, generate creative contents for marketing and sales, and draft computer code based on natural language prompts would allow you to automate your tasks and your mundane parts of your work. In fact, research have shown that if fully applied, generative AI can potentially increase your productivity of knowledge workers by 15 to 44%. Just like in the late 90s, when the internet starts to change our lives, we are today at the same inflection point. Generative AI is going to change the way we create and view content. The way we work is about to change too. Activities such as communication, supervision, documentation, and interacting with people would be automated. And outcomes of collaborations as well as decision makings will be turbocharged. For better or for worse, generative AI is going to create societal changes. The choice is yours to be at the right side of change and extract value from this revolution of generative AI. Keep yourself informed by continually watching the AI show and subscribe to this channel to get you ahead of the curve.